Let's now talk about capture list in Lambda expressions. So we have discussed Lambda expressions and we have seen that we can pass parameters to Lambda expressions. Like I have created a Lambda expression here which takes an integer parameter and I pass this parameter 20 to it, and what it does x equal to x plus a and y equal to y plus a. See, this x and y, these two variables are local variables of the enclosing environment or enclosing function. If I do not write this ampersand, then these variables would not be accessible inside this Lambda expression. So this capture list here is used to capture the variables of the enclosing environment. And there are different things that we can provide in the capture list. We can provide the variables names that we want to capture. Like I can provide x and y by default. They'll be captured by value, and I can write ampersand x and ampersand y. Then they'll be captured by reference. And there are more syntaxes. If I do not write anything in the capture list, right, in the square brackets, then nothing is captured. No variable of the enclosing environment is captured inside the Lambda expression. If I write equal to sign in the capture list, then everything is captured by value. And when you capture by value, the copy of these variables x and y which are created in the Lambda expression, they are read-only copies. So if I write equal to here in place of ampersand, then this program will not be compiling because x and y are read-only. And there is a workaround to make them mutable. We can use a mutable keyword there. So we'll talk about an example of this. But the point is, when you are passing things by value, they are captured as read-only copies. When you write ampersand, then everything is captured as a reference, and you can modify the variables like we have done in this program, right? So we have captured everything by reference, x and y by reference. Then we are changing x equal to x plus a and y equal to y plus a. And when we print after calling the Lambda expression, we get 25 and 30. X is changed to 5 plus 20 and y is changed to 10 plus 20. Now there are more options. You can capture everything by value and some explicit variable or single variable by reference. So here if I write this way, then everything is captured by value and x variable is captured by reference. I can write more variables, more exclusions from the default. So the first thing creates a default capture way, and then you can write exclusions from the default. Here everything is captured by reference and x is captured by value, right? And static and global variables, they are captured anyway. If I write static here, then I don't need to write anything. X and y will anyways be accessible. Here is an example of captured by value. For that purpose, I have written equal to sign, right? And when I capture by value, as I said earlier, variables are captured as read-only copy. So if I do not write this mutable, then these expressions would not be valid, right? This would cause compiler error. Without mutable, you can access x and y, you can print them and you can use them in other expressions, but you cannot modify them because they are not mutable. And with the help of mutable keyword, they are mutable. Now please note that it's a by value thing. So whatever you change in these x and y, they are copies of these x and y. They won't reflect inside x and y. So once I've called the Lambda expression, I am going to get the same values 5 and 10. I have got the same value as output. Here is our last example program, and here I have used a static keyword. So when I have local static variables, I don't need to capture them. They are anyways captured. So inside this Lambda expression, if I change x equal to x plus a and y equal to y plus a, this would work perfectly fine and these static variables would be modified. When I run this program, this Lambda expressions adds 20 to both x and y and we get the output as 25 and 30.